Madam, your kitchen facilities are not so up to date. They're not. On behalf of
please, Mr. Man, I not come
my
to
organization,
this
yeah,
please,
my establishment.
the
I want to
English is too
donate
much, please.
some. I want to donate, please. This is disrespect. I came here to teach you, so give me some respect. I want to donate some kitchen facilities, some modern day equipment to this kitchen. We need to upgrade you. Listen, madam, please calm down. Don't overreact.
Please, all this your promise and fail. You promise in
because we can't be using ordinary knife to be cutting. We need modern day facilities to make it liquid.
When are you ordering it?
I will send.
No, not you. Not you will send. You have to order it.
Don't worry, I will send my.
No, you have to order it.
I will let my manager know.
Which
and
manager?
they will place the order.
Which manager?
Immediately I go back to Cambridge, yeah. Cambridge. I will make sure that my manager places the order. And they are coming from the USA because the company I deal with they are in the US. That's the only, so it will take some time. I used to deal with one UK company, but it didn't work out. So the company I deal with now is in the USA.
All this lot of English.
So as we're saying, so the next thing is the ugu cutting, yeah.
Okay.
And there's a machine I'm going to bring for you, Hannah Hover. Is the name of the machine, yeah. Hannah Hover machine. Please. Why you take me serious, please? I didn't come from Cambridge to come and be. So, Hannah Hover machine. I will just be, you'll be cutting.
Yes, I believe you. Even your dream. Just they play.
The machine is called Hannah Hover. For our viewers out there, the machine is called Hannah Hover. When you get that, you don't need to be cutting. You tell the machine what you want to do.
Siri.
Yes, you say Hannah Hover, please help me cut this ugu leaf. It cuts it for you.
Okay. Like Siri.
How
much?
We have gone very far. Hannah Hover machine.
You ask Siri, how much do you have in your bank account?
Get that machine and tag me.
It's not deceiving the audience.
It's made by I work closely with the company that made it, so I'm a top chef in the UK. See, look, next time I come to your kitchen, if you know you don't have stuff, let me bring my stuff. Okay?
Please bring.
This my suit need to.
You're the one that is coming to teach us. You have to.
So I'm going to cut this ugu since I don't have something to cut it.
Yes, cut it.
I'm in short,
so if cut it very nicely.
I
don't like my ugu. Cut it very nicely. Michelle, come closer. Let's see if it's. Hey, this is what we call in Igbo land. All the Ebuji. Come and show this.
It's been ages.
Come. This is how you cut your own ugu. See how.
Another thing I've noticed is this. Let me just tell you something else.
Am I going to
your kitchen doesn't have staff.
No.
There are no kitchen assistants. Why?
No. I'm the chef, I'm the assistant, I'm the everything.
This selfishness on the highest order. How can you be eating alone? You have to employ people. Empower people. Make them employed.
You pay them.
Yes, you pay them you share the money with them. You can't be eating.
I need to
eating all your profit alone. You have to share with people.
Michelle, please come.
Where are your kitchen assistants? Nothing.
I don't have kitchen assistants.
This is not
Michelle is my kitchen assistant.
So
please, cut the vegetables.
You are going to be my kitchen assistant today since you are not.
Ordinary vegetables you can't cut.
So, listen, yeah. So, and then we finish cutting it. We want to integrate every other thing together, and now we start the cooking proper. Okay. We are just getting our condiments ready. So immediately we finish, harvest time. We put everything in the microwave. We put everything in the fire. Yeah? We will put everything in the fire, straight up in the fire. But I'm going to show you another way of using the microwave. I'm going to show you one way of using the microwave while cooking okra soup. You will not believe me, but that's why I've come here today to show you a new style of cooking. And I believe it's going to work out. Please continue.